What's going on, Purplehaze? Just chilling right now. Working, not really working. Just bullshitting around. I climbed that water tower right there a few years ago. That water tower I climbed up. That was a risky ass ladder too. That was a really risky ladder to climb up. It was rusted. It was falling apart. But nah, a whole bunch of woods. If you look right over there, some bike trails. Some bike trails that go through these. Let's see. Just the nature. The nature is crazy. It's been hot, it's been cold, it's been rainy. But let me know in the comments on what y'all think. And let me know how y'all's day going. I wanna know about it. My day's going but I can't complain. Got some food in my belly. I'm good. But, you know, gotta stay here till 3:30 to clock the fuck out. But remember, stay positive. Stay cool. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do shit, because you can. I love y'all. If you can't respect us, respect the fucking haze. B-boy out.